Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to remove the original audio on the video by Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Capcut and prepare your project, and I here already have the project, so let's give it a check first. As you can see, this video is so noise, so it's containing like a lot of noise that disturbing us, so let's removing this sound. So to removing the sounds or the removing the original sound of the video, there will be two ways. So the first way, you just need to go click the clip, and after that take a look on this button features, and you can like scrolling into the left side until you found this volume, and in this part you can adjust in it to like make it like 100% removed so that there will no sound on the video, or you can also increasing a little bit to have like a effect whenever you ride the motorcycle. That is the first way. And the easiest way to remove the original sounds from the video is by jumping into this mute button, and the whole clip on this project will be muted. You need to careful while using this button or these features, because whenever you all have like more than one clips on your project, all of your clip will be muted. So that's the way how to remove the original sounds video on the Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.